Hi! In front of me is Oppo A77 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. First of all, you need to select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. In my case, Play Store. Now access background apps. In order to do that with tricky navigation, tap on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window. Then tap on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. If you want to use your window overlay the other app, click on the other one and operate in both. You can always move your window by holding this line at the top and dragging it. If you wish to use it in full screen view, click on the top left corner. If you want to close it instead, tap on the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!